you're jealous, you're jealous. They have a lot of options. You can see they have bigger options, chunkier options. I just got earrings for $100. It is an unplanned damage. So already reserved our seats, but
In Delhi, I pay 720 for one person.
good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel for day 3.
स्वागत तो करो हमारा।
There's this bagel place in Bangalore. They sell bagel for such a good price. So I'm going to quickly taste this. And we have started our journey. So today is a Sunday. It's typical Sunday rush. See how beautiful my best friend is. If you're jealous, you're jealous.
Thanks.
And where are we going, Samiksha?
Should I tell?
Yeah, I think they should wait and watch. They should watch till the end, guys. Only then you'll come. So we are right outside the MG metro station, and as soon as you walk outside of the metro station, you'll find Retromatica. If you want to know more about this photo booth, I've put up a reel. I'm going to quickly put a card right over here. You can go and check it out. There's also shopping here, which I've picked up a few of the items which I don't get in Chennai. And then ரொம்ப cute-ஆ இருக்கு. Completely worth, guys. Every penny is definitely worth. It's very cute. Right next to where you have the jewelry, I also found these charms. You can actually make charm bracelets, charm keychains, bag charms. These are super cute. They have a lot of options. You can see they have bigger options, chunkier options.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप।
The minute you come outside of the MG Road metro station, you have so many options to shop over here. I just got earrings for $100. This guy is right outside, and the heat is very unexpected.
They told us that it will be cloudy, but it's not.
It's not cloudy, guys. So we've finally reached the Sakura Matcha bar. So we're gonna go and have our first try at a proper matcha. Now we've had our matcha, very first matcha for both of us, and now we're off for a late lunch. We both loved the matcha unexpectedly, absolutely loved it. If you want to see the full review of the place, etc., and what we had, etc., make sure to click on the icon card that I will place somewhere over here. So now we've come for lunch, and there's a lot of rush here, a lot of people here. We've already reserved our seats, but again they've asked us to wait for another 10 minutes. I don't know why, when we've already done our reservation. Now we are having the proper authentic Karnataka style food. Wow! 10 out of 10 for healthy, and also the sweet they've given obbatu, etc. So yes, can't wait to dig in and rate this food. And we have had lunch. So we're going to quickly rate it. It's just a meals as you saw, and we're going to give our rating out of 5.
For me, it's 5. I pay for this, like our two people's meal was 720, including dessert and whatever it was, including this
3 types of
pita
sweets.
also.
Yes.
Okay, this pan also.
Yes.
It was 720 for 2 people. In Delhi, I pay 720 for one person. So yeah, 5 out of 5.
So that's a steal deal. Yeah, it's a steal deal.
Much later.
Hey guys, time is now 8:30 p.m. We are quite late because we rested a little bit. Got ready, and we are here again in Forum Mall. For me, it's again second time, but she's coming for the first time. We just now finished off with Lulu Mall again. because I was seriously impressed. She's been to Lulu Mall before, so in Thiruvananthapuram. So how would you say, like, is it better?
It's same, but in Trivandrum they have two floors for Lulu.
Yeah.
Here it's one, based out of everything, because I like Lulu because you get everything that you think that you will get in foreign.
I just wish India had more outlets like this.
Yeah, not just limited to Bangalore or
Kochi,
Trivandrum.
because Kochi, Kerala is their
Kerala.
base.
Yeah. The live food section where you don't have to buy the, you know, the whole dish, wait 300, 400 outside in restaurant. You just
Budget
have to,
as well, it's on
you have to
budget.
pay just 100 grams,
Right.
and it is like 80 rupees, 70 rupees. That's all.
Yeah. Finally came out from the mall and we are headed for our one final girls dinner in Bangalore. We wanted to do a fancy place, so we've come to this place called Moai, which is a fine dining restaurant. It's purely vegetarian. We've seen a couple of Instagram reels, so that's why we thought of heading over here. I think I will be doing a shorts. Okay guys, we've completed dinner at Moya. The ambience was amazing. I have created a shorts. I think last time when I spoke, I said that if I create a shorts, but now shorts create paneer ka, you can click on this little card over here and go check out the entire experience. Now the plan is to actually refresh, pack everything. We'll be leaving tomorrow morning. This vlog is not going to end yet. We are going to land in Chennai and going to show you how all of this is going on, our travel, etc., and how I'm going to travel back. So continue to watch till the end.
The next day.
And good morning guys, time is now 7:20 a.m. in the morning. My friend Samiksha will be leaving to the airport right now. She will be traveling before me. Patina, I'm taking the bus. I'm not taking the train. And Samiksha's leaving. Bye. So many emotions running high, guys. She's left. Now I have started packing my bag and I just realized that I actually didn't do a mini haul for you guys. I got a couple of things and I was gifted a couple of things. I thought I'll just cover them very quickly. Okay, now I have zoomed in so I can show you clearly these pieces. These 4 earrings are from Sarojini Nagar. They cost me 30 rupees each. Of course, this is a gifted piece. This is from Samiksha. So these are chunky mini hoops. You can see the quality. These are Zara H&M quality, guys. This 30 rupees each from Sarojini. I'm going to show you the I'm going to move on to the Bangalore haul very quickly. And I'm going to show you the quality on these pieces. This cost me 300 rupees. This is an anti-tarnish necklace. And where did I get this? I got it from MG Road metro station, guys. I think it's one of those steel deal. And if Chennai, we don't have this type of thing. Either you should order it from Meesho or something like that. But we don't know the quality Meesho. It is a metro station, MG Road metro station. Exit is on Church Street exit. So you'll get this. This is just 100 rupees per piece. Can you believe this? Either now H&M, or even if I say Veromoda, you'll be like, yeah, it's Veromoda for 999 or something. But no, this is just 100 rupees in Bangalore. And look at this. This is the Zara earrings. I have been eyeing these Zara earrings for such a long time. 100 rupees. Last but not the least, Patina, it is this photo booth experience we had in MG Road metro station. There are 2-3 photo booths in the MG Road metro station. So idella mein Patina, this I got completely in Brigade Road. This is Brigade Road. This is MG Road metro station. This is also MG Road metro station, Church Street. So and this is it, guys. I am leaving the room. I'm saying goodbye to Bangalore. All of my stuff are packed and ready to go. So a lot of emotions running high, but we're getting late.